Actually, mainly for my spa. I have a solo practice, so I want to bring it in and offer it as a service for sure. I'm the only one employed at my business. I focus on Korean custom facials and skin rejuvenation treatments, and this is going to be the first body service that I'm going to bring into my spa. I haven't really figured out 100% like what I want to do with it, but I do have a lot of clientele that are personal trainers, a lot of athletes. A lot of my clients are really active, live a healthy, active lifestyle, follow a healthy diet. So I'm familiar with this technology, and I've used some other types of devices similar in technology in the past. So I really want to just bring this on because I feel like it would pair really well with my clients' current lifestyles. So that's where I kind of want to go with this. It's just, if they're already active, they're already healthy, living a healthy, active lifestyle, I think this is like the perfect type of body service for them to start using. I read the manual twice as well, and I've had the chance to use it on myself 2 times already since I got it. So I have played around with it. It was good. It's a powerful machine for sure.